Using MeterLink, you can use an extra phone or tablet to stay connected to your cook anywhere within your Wi-Fi network. If you have MeterBlock, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so you don't need an extra phone or tablet. Here's how you use MeterLink. Download the Meter app on all phones and tablets you're using. Make sure they're on the same Wi-Fi network. Double check that MeterLink is enabled, which it is by default. When you go to add devices, you'll be able to connect to the same meter over multiple phones or tablets. One device will be connected over Bluetooth, and the other will be connected over Wi-Fi, indicated by the 3 connected dots. You can leave your phone or tablet within Bluetooth range to stay connected to Meter. Today I'll use my tablet. And you can monitor the cook over Wi-Fi with your main screens. So you can watch your show while Meter watches your cook. I hope they end up together. What's really cool is once you've paired all your devices to the same meter, you can monitor the cook even outside of your Wi-Fi network, as long as your phone has internet. Like if you need to stop by your neighbors to borrow some hot sauce. Again. Our Apple Watch app gives you all of your important cook information right on your wrist. And there's a meter skill available for your Amazon Alexa. So you can ask Alexa, what's my current internal temperature? Or how much time left do I have on my cook? Just use the same email you used for Alexa and Meter Cloud and you'll be good to go. If you need help setting it up, find our Amazon Alexa setup video. With full connectivity suite and Meter Cloud, you can monitor your cooks pretty much anywhere. So you can live your best life while Meter watches your cook. Happy fooding!